What are you doing, Nasreen?
I'm putting some chocolate on my ice cream. Ice cream is delicious with chocolate.
Well, it looks good, but you shouldn't eat a lot of chocolate or ice cream.
Of course, I don't eat them regularly.
What kind of food do you eat regularly?
Oh, fruits and vegetables. I love pineapples and bananas. They are my favorites. I eat cucumbers and lettuce a lot too.
I eat fruits and vegetables every day. Carrots and tomatoes are my favorites, but I also like strawberries and bananas.
Would you like to try some of my ice cream with chocolate? We should eat it quickly. It will melt soon in this hot weather.
Okay, thanks.
Kids Education with Joy. Kidu Joy.